Hey everyone, welcome to Wellness Wednesday. Today we're going to talk about naturally supporting bone health, not just with calcium, but with movement, minerals, gut health, and daily habits that truly strengthen your body over time. Because our bones are living tissue and what we do every day matters. Our bones do so much more than hold us upright. They actually support our posture and movement, protect our organs and our brain. They store important minerals like calcium and even produce blood cells in the bone marrow. And our bones are active living systems that impact our overall health. Our bones are always breaking down and rebuilding. Cells called osteoclasts remove old bone, while osteoblasts build new bone. It's similar to repaving a road. Old materials removed and replaced with a stronger structure. And this means that nutrition and lifestyle directly influence the strength of your bones. Inside our bones is some bone marrow, which comes in two types, red and yellow. And red marrow produces red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets, which are essential for oxygen, immunity, and healing. And yellow marrow stores fat. And this shows how connected our bone is to our overall health and vitality. Our thyroid actually plays a big role in bone turnover. And when it's overactive, our bones can break down too quickly, increasing the risk of osteoporosis. And if our thyroid's underactive, you may experience muscle aches and stiffness. And hormone balance is also key to strong bones. So let's talk about practical ways to support bone health naturally, starting with movement, nutrition, and specific nutrients that are going to strengthen your bones. So exercise is actually really good. It signals your bones to grow stronger. Osteocytes sense stress from movement and tell the body to build more bone where it's needed. And weight-bearing activities like walking or hiking and strength training are especially powerful for maintaining your bone density. Since bones are constantly rebuilding, they need a steady supply of nutrients. And this isn't something you're going to fix at once, but it's kind of like a daily nourishment process. So, calcium is actually the most abundant mineral in the body, and it's essential for strong bones and teeth. It also supports heart rhythm and cellular communication. And when the blood calcium levels drop, the body pulls calcium from our bones, which is why consistent intake matters. So, natural food sources of calcium include leafy greens, sardines, salmon with bones, cultured dairy foods, bone broth, blackstrap molasses, and homemade stocks. And these provide calcium in forms the body can best use. So bones require many more minerals, not just calcium. So there's macro minerals like magnesium and phosphorus, and trace minerals like zinc, silica, and manganese and selenium. All of those are going to contribute to the strength and structure of the bone. Magnesium actually helps form the bone matrix and works with calcium for muscle movement and relaxation. And it's one of the most common deficiencies today. Dark leafy greens are excellent natural sources of magnesium. Vitamin D3 also helps the body absorb calcium and phosphorus, and it also supports your immune health. It's actually made in our skin through sunlight exposure, but your levels often drop in winter or when you have limited sun exposure. Vitamin K2 works alongside D3 to guide calcium into the bones and teeth instead of the arteries. Helping healthy gut bacteria is needed to convert K1 into K2, which highlights the importance of gut health and bone strength. Silica supports flexible joints, resilient tissues, and stronger bones, hair, and nails. And herbs like horsetail and dulse are rich natural sources of silica. Bone broth provides nutrients for bones, joints, gut lining, and your skin. And you can drink it daily or use it in soups and cooking. It's super easy to make, and it's an easy habit you can develop that's going to support structural health as well as promoting gut health and healthy skin. So herbs have been used a long time and traditionally to support bone healing and remineralization of the body and the bones. So let's look at a few powerful ones. Mullein has been traditionally used topically for fractures and internally when people have low back pain or spinal issues. It's very soothing and restorative properties. Horsetail is high in both calcium and silica, and it can help your bones strengthen, also strengthening your joints, your hair, your skin, and your nails. And it's commonly used for remineralization and injury recovery. Alfalfa is rich in minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, and iron, and that makes it an excellent source for supporting bone and joint repair. Oak bark or leaves provides minerals that strengthen the bones and connective tissue and has been used traditionally in many bone support formulas. Oat straw is packed with minerals and supports tissue healing, especially for broken bones and joint injuries. So these herbal and mineral formulas bring together key nutrients to support skeletal strength, mineral balance, and connective tissue health. Thanks for watching.